some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping Mercier. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. All them times I played the fool for you.
Hey girl, hey, it's Lo, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today I did this really pretty, like, I don't really want to call it a sunset eye, but I used a lot of like oranges and browns and this nice, really pretty gold on the lid. I popped out some new lashes that may be a part of my new lash line. We're gonna see. If you guys would love to see how I got today's look, then please stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. As you guys can see, I put my base down. I use my Anastasia 4.0 concealer as usual. I recently just picked up the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault Palettes. Finally just picked up actually all 4 of them. I've been wanting them for the longest time and I never got them, so I finally just placed the order on Ulta. Literally like, I want to say like 4 days ago, and they came really fast, so that's what's up. I'm gonna do like a warm, I don't know, like a warm look. I saw this inspiration from this girl on Instagram. I'll most likely put the picture in the video because you won't be able to see it on my phone. So I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, which this one's my favorite out of all of them. I just love the colors in here. I'm most likely gonna use Agent Coin. This really pretty color may be my lid color. It's between this one and another color that's in the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm gonna use this one, which is called Access. This one, which is Secure. Probably this one, which is Smooth Criminal. Just as you guys can see, like the orangey, yellow, mustard, browns. I'm gonna use those. And then from the Ring the Alarm palette, which is my second favorite, you guys can see the same kind of tones going on. Very warm, gold, pretty. Most likely gonna use like this one, and this one actually may be the lid color. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, we're gonna get into it. I decided I wanted to try to do a cut crease, y'all. Look, I'm not even about to discourage myself. I'm just about to do it. Like, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Pro concealer in the color 360. So we're gonna go back into the Ring the Alarm palette, and the one I'm gonna put on my lid is called On Camera. It's the really pretty gold right here. Basically the one I showed y'all was between this one and the other one. The other one is just two like greeny golds, and it reminds me of that Kat Von D pigment I used in one of my videos. So we're gonna go with this one. I'm gonna use my finger. I don't think my finger is doing the best job because the concealer is so sticky. So, I mean, I put that little base down. So now I am going to go in with a flat brush. I'm gonna spray my brush with rose water. still feel like I want to darken out the outer corners, but I'm really actually obsessed with the eye look. And now we're going to do the rest of the face. Finally, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation today. Off camera, I mentioned I use the Tarte Quench Primer, and also I don't know where it is, but I also use the Cover FX Pore Filler Primer, I think it's called, and I just put it like right here and on my nose in the pore areas. I'm in the color Toffee from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Concealer underneath my eyes, because honestly, I usually do that and I just forgot. I always do this to make sure my dark circles are 100% canceled out. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty sponge and blending this out. I know I said I didn't really like the sponge that much because it was too small, but I still use it. I'm still gonna use it like I bought it, so. First, I'm gonna use this ColourPop brown pencil in BFF3. I should have really bought 2 of these. I didn't know I was gonna like it as much as I do. It's like a really nice brown lip liner, and they're only like $5. My lips are super dry. Then I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow. It's one of my favorite nudes ever. The gloss I'm gonna put on top is actually this Sephora lip gloss in the color Perfect Nude. Alright girls, so that's all for today's video, and I am obsessed with today's look as usual. Eyes really did come out popping, y'all. Like I'm really obsessed. I love this look and I hope you do too. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. You guys know the drill. I'm Lo. I'll see you girls soon in a new one. Bye.